Most businesses don't lose customers because their product is bad. Instead, they lose customers because they couldn't reach out to the customers at the right time. Leads fill out your form, nobody calls them for hours, maybe sometimes even days, and then they have already got your competitor. This is a really big issue, but not anymore. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your AI voice agent, an outbound voice agent system for your business, which could call prospects and qualify them, and it could potentially save thousands in your operational costs. If you're a business owner and want to see this AI voice agent outbound system in your business, book a free consultation call with me, link in the description. Now let's start the video. So in this video, we are going to build an outbound AI agent system using Ultravox. Ultravox is going to be the voice agent platform, and for telephony, we are going to use Twilio, and for the backend system, we'll use N8N. So let's just get started by clicking agents and click new agent. You'll come over a place like this. So right over here, you'll give all the prompts. First, let's just go and search a plumbing business. So today we are going to build a plumbing business voice agent. Plumbing business. Let's give USA. Plumbing repair. Okay. Cool. I think they have quite all services regarding plumbing. Keystone Kun. Okay. Looks cool. So before we build the prompts, let's just go to RAD to give the knowledge base. So knowledge base is our AI agent's knowledge. To when it talk, it will talk in the same language. Well, plumbing, you're going to give a web. Hence the number you can keep up to 3. So basically the crawl depth defines the number of links from the start URL that will be followed and included in the collection. So you can give it as a 3 to 5. So that could be a perfect range. And right now I'm going to give the direct website. And I'll give, I think it's gray, but still I can give all the website. Portfolio. Okay, so our knowledge base is ready. So we can go to our creating our agent. So as we took this plumbing business, we'll prompt as a customer service agent for a plumbing business. We'll do the name of the Keystone Plumbing. Keystone Plumbing. Okay. And for voice, we just go for the basic English voice. Okay. Make sure to hit save. And now, so for creating the prompting, you can just type in, come over here in the chat. So this interface over here in the right side can be used to test your agent which you're building on the left side. And also it's useful to create the prompt itself. So you can see here, help me to create an agent. You can chat here as create me a prompt for plumbing business, customer service, handles bookings and appointments with natural casual tone. Okay. So once you gave your prompt here, it will start to ask few questions. What should be the agent's primary objective to handle bookings and appointments? Yes. Be friendly, dispatcher, professional. It could be a friendly. Okay. What are the important rules for book morning 9 to eve 6 p.m. Oh, yes. Okay, guys. So you can see over in the left side, the prompt is creating. So basically, this Ultravox prompt can be used to other, like if you're building a voice agent in retail or WAPI, you can also use this prompt in other resources. Why? Because the prompt which is giving here is very highly formal and highly structurized. So it just follows the prompt. So it would be awesome. So yeah. So let's wait for a couple of yeah. So we got it. Today. So let's do accept and save. Our prompt is completely ready. So you can see how fine structured it is, and the things that the functions which are included into here. Okay, and also here you get the knowledge base, right? So you should click the knowledge base which you have gave there, like on the knowledge base, and click save. Okay, so you can test it right over here, but we are going to get on a live call, like actual phone call. So we can test over here.
Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Dao. How can I help today?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfect. How can I help?
Yeah. So the test agent is working fine. So we have our Ultravox agent ready. So we're now going over to Twilio to get the number and things. So right now I have my own Twilio. So you can log into your Twilio account, and also another important thing is that when you're doing outbound in Twilio, you should pay like $20 for top up as a starting. Otherwise, you can't do the outbound. So make sure you top up like minimum $20, and you'll get this SID and auth token, and you can buy a phone number like US phone number or some other phone number, which will be like $1.5. Okay. So once you'll get all these credentials. Okay. So make sure to copy paste it and go over to NA10, and this is the complete automation which is running behind. Like this is the structure which is in the backend which connects Ultravox and Twilio, and it makes the call. So you could get this workflow in the description. So when you're over here, the first notice is the manual trigger, and the second is just the parameters. You can enter all by one, and once you hit start, you'll get a call right away. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now. So this is Ultravox API key. I'm gonna go over here, go to Ultravox, go to settings, click. You can see the Ultravox API key right over here. You can click right this. Plumbing. I just gave a plumbing name and hit create, copy it, paste it, and then Ultravox agent ID. So you can come over to agents on the left side. You can see the agent ID right over here. Click this, the ID would be copied and paste over here. And this is the Twilio phone number. So the Twilio phone number is the one which you get from the Twilio. Paste it, and you can give any phone number you want. Okay. And after that, so this is an additional extra step. Like this is used to make the call personalized, but right now we are just going to do an outbound general call. And also come over to Twilio. You need to give SID and auth token. So right now I'm gonna give the SID and auth token in the Twilio node so that we can make the call right away. I'm gonna hit save. Boom. That's it. That's all, guys. That's all. So when I hit execute workflow, I should get a call right now. Okay. Sorry guys, I didn't hit the save. So make sure to hit the save button. I was trying to get the call, but I got another. Oh, okay. So I gave the wrong agent ID. So this is keystones which you have made. So I'll copy this and give it over here. And Ultravox API key and just recheck it. It's PI. Okay. So the API key is correct. Okay. I get the wrong agent ID. So when I hit save. Okay. So yeah. So right now we should get a call. Okay. Successfully triggered. You can see we got the call. And yeah.
Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Sam. How can I help you today?
Hello. Who are you?
Hi, this is Sam with the Power Company. How can I help you today?
I was actually trying to reach out to you guys. Like I saw a few videos on Instagram about plumbing. Like I need some plumbing solutions from you. Like the bathroom is kind of leaking, and we need a new plumbing for our restroom.
Before we continue, are you calling about an emergency like a burst pipe or a knee journey?
No, not like that.
Okay, I can definitely help with that. To get started, can I get your full name, the service address, and a good callback number?
Uh, right now, I'm good. Thank you. Bye.
No problem at all. If you need anything, future.
Okay, that's guys. So you can generally call anyone in the world. Like we have made an outbound agent. So when you go over to N10, so you don't want to trigger this manually. You can have a node over here like Google Sheet, and you can have a lot of numbers, and you can basically map out the number over here so that it will call one by one, like kind of a loop system. So it can call one by one. So yeah, we can definitely build like this. So this is basically a general outbound call. We could initiate and set up running in a fast link. So if you want batch calling or calling one by one, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna post it very soon. So yeah, guys. So that's all for today's video. See you soon. Bye.